Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you are all doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to fix if your Bluetooth device is connected, but there is no sound in your connected device. So this is a device which is connected, but there is no sound. So to fix the issue, first try to remove the device and after that reconnect this device again. In most cases, this will fix the issue. One more thing you can check is right click on the speaker icon and then click open sound settings. Now you see this output device option here, and if you see multiple options or the connected device is showing, in that case select that device. Or you can just click on this sound icon, and here if you see your connected device, select that device from here as well. Now move on the next step. You can try to fix the issue, so run the troubleshooter. So click on the search box and type troubleshoot settings. You will see this result which says troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now click on this additional troubleshooters. Now here you will see this Bluetooth option here. Click on it. Click on this run troubleshoot. So this will try to identify and fix the issue related with Bluetooth. And here you can see this issue has been fixed. After completing this process, restart your system and this will fix the error. Now move on the next step. You can try to fix this issue. Open Windows Services. So click on the search box and type services. You will see this result which says services. Click on it. So these are the Windows services you have in your system. Now you have to right click on this service, Bluetooth Audio Gateway service. Right click on it and then click properties. Now in the startup type, change this manual into automatic and then apply. After that, stop this service and then again start this service. So you have to restart this service. Okay. And make sure the startup type will be automatic always. Click OK. You can see this service is now running and it is automatic. After that, right click on this service, Bluetooth support service. Right click on it and click properties. Similarly, change its startup type from manual to automatic. Stop this service. Click yes. Then again start this service. Then apply, then OK. Cut this window. That's it. Now move on the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, open Device Manager. So right click on this Windows icon and then click this Device Manager. Now you can see Bluetooth driver here. Simply expand this option and these are all the Bluetooth related drivers. You can see or try to update all the drivers one by one. Simply click this first driver, right click on it and click this update driver. Click search automatically. Then close. Similarly, update the second driver, update driver. Search automatically for all the drivers. Click close. So this will update your Bluetooth driver. So do the same thing with all the Bluetooth drivers option you have in your system. So update all the Bluetooth drivers like this, update driver, search automatically. You can see the best drivers for your device are already installed. Click close, cut this window. After updating all the drivers, restart your system. So this will fix your issue. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching.